we're going to eat Mama's fishes. She said maybe later, but we need to go. We've seen inner water.
Yeah. So one thing I'm disappointed with.
It's like reminds me of having
the desserts used to be called chocolate cherries, and they had the best desserts.
Big island,
Last
big
year
land.
they did away with it. I don't know. I guess they get the contract.
This is the second biggest
I'm
island.
disappointed in
The big island is
I
huge.
love desserts.
No, they're windsurfing out there.
Yeah,
I'm
we're
gonna
having
take
fun.
I'll take pictures. I know. Share with me.
Sure.
No, share with me.
Yeah. Oh boy, sitting.
Oh, there's a lot of turtles there. What do they call that area? Turtle Bay?
It's gone.
I saw people surfing yesterday before, just as we were leaving.
Yeah.
So he's trying to get his camera out.
Are you watching on the outside there?
What? Yes, I am.
Looking around?
Yeah, well, there's mostly nothing too much to
On
see.
the right, yeah.
But we're at
Left side.
what?
Are we gonna stop by there later on?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Yes, it's mine. I do too.
Okay, we're going to the party first and then come back and stuff.
I see.
So let me ask you a question. Is this island still part of the U.S. or did he sell it to
I don't think so.
Yeah, I lost track.
Coming off, I was like a furnace.
Here comes the Russian, you know.
Oh, I had a. He went out to find medications for me.
Bill Gates and
was
Larry
right.
Ellison.
Yes, those are the people that line up here.
I
So those, those places that burned down, don't mind those properties.
Oh,
these two.
Yes, because they can rebuild. The people didn't have money to rebuild.
Oh,
Is it you can have the money to
Did you do
rebuild?
anything?
yeah, I took some. I had out some. He heard of some medicine, and I called my.
They need the money.
He heard about something from somebody else.
I don't
And
know
I
how
called
many
the guy and
toilets
said, no, I'm going to
you
do
guys
something
have.
about it. I don't remember what you gave me. And it helped for a while. After a year, it
37
didn't help
bedrooms,
anymore. So I
46
guess I
floors.
got immune to it.
Guy must have a problem with his stomach.
That whole hot.
I don't even know what that is.
It's harmful.
Well, I'm over it now. So, but every so often I feel like I'm getting a hot flash.
I still have.
But he said,
And you're taking potassium and magnesium.
I think it's helping us go over it. But when I had my attack, I didn't think it was something.